way to understand the world is through the voice. It's peculiar to me, to my physical constitution, to my history, because the voice is a creation of the self. All of these things end up relating to a space, to this thing that's born from the body and is projected into the world and it bounces back. In the center of the space, we have the California palm tree. It's very curious because it's the only native species of palm trees that are in California. So it's kind of poetic even that it grew from the ruins. The roundhouse become also a source of some things. In this piece, we have 6 speakers. Each of these speakers are unique. It's the same shape, but different lengths, which gives a very particular sound characteristic to each one of them. A series of LED lights that relate to the palm tree as if they were coming roots of the tree. The materials that are in the space have to do also with the memory and the history of the place, using field recordings that are taken from the space. This particular place is very interesting because the acoustics work really, really strange. So it's kind of find the pockets and the resonances that are going to vibrate with my voice. And then trying to play as if the whole structure was this source, this fountain that ejects me and the sound around us.